Hey everyone, so today I just want to cover how to set the oil life on a Shelby GT350. I just performed an oil change on the car, so I need to reset the oil life indicator. So you can do this without starting the car. You have to have the key in your pocket though. Just hit the ignition button without pushing the clutch in. That's going to wake the vehicle up. The ignition is now on. So just hit OK to go through all your warnings. You're going to have to hit the left arrow to get to the main menu. Scroll down to Settings, hit OK. Vehicle, hit OK. Oil Life Reset, hit OK. It's going to show your current percentage. Press and hold the OK button. And that's it. We are back at 100%, so you can go back to your gauge mode or wherever you want to keep it. And now you're ready to go until your next oil change. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.